Okay, so now that you've got it launched, you've got the shipping rate set, you need to grab your mock-up image. So what I do is I pull it right from the site and I just save this. So I'll save image as, and I'm going to go into my folder, and it is, which one is this? No matter who enters your life. So I'll go in here and I'll save it. And then I'll just go to Photoshop real quick, and I'm going to edit that. So let's make that smaller for you guys. Open. You can see I got my 5 in there. No matter. There. Now, in Photoshop, there's the ability to use actions, and I have actions set. So what I can do is literally click this, and I can go to Shineon, and I can resize this just by clicking this. Pretty cool, right? So I'm going to show you how I can do that. Fit it on the screen. That one doesn't quite fit because it's a circle one. That's for a heart-shaped one for a different project. So I'll go into my folder, and I'm going to do, close that up. I'll step backwards. There. There's my original. So what I want to do is I want to get a 1200 by 1650 image from this, and I want to record an action in Photoshop at the same time. So I'll show you the steps I take. So I click on my folder and I click new action, and this, I'm going to call this resize round to 1200 by 1650. And I'll just record this. So now the first step I'm going to do is select my marquee tool, the rectangular marquee. I'm going to go to a fixed ratio of 1 to 1.375, because you'll see in a second how that looks. Now you do have to figure this out here. Just want to play with this to get the right dimensions going. Move that over slightly. There we go. There. So I just want to have an equal space on the left and right side of the round piece. So I do that, and then I do image, crop, and then image size, and you'll see it's 481 by 662. I'm going to turn on constrain proportions and turn on scale styles. Then when I type in 1200 in there, it should have went to 1652. So you can see it'll resize. It's close enough. It should go to 1200 by 1650, but I don't know why it didn't. So let's fit it on the screen, and that's done. So now I'm going to stop my little action. The action is a bonus add-on. You don't have to do that. You can do it manually. But what I end up with is a picture that's 1200 by 1650. So I'm going to do File, Save for Web. I need that image in order to do my ads, which is going to be the next step. I'm going to create a dark post, and it's called a dark post because it's not published to your page. I'll go up here, no matter who, and I'm going to call this 1200 by 1650. So in the next video you're going to see what I do with this image, but you have to do this for every product you launch so that you can create the ad. So that's going to be my ad image. Pretty cool, right? And these look really good too, with the hand in the back and showing the chain and kind of the reflection off it. I think it looks awesome. So that's how you do it. You got to do that for everyone, and using these little actions here now, it's going to make it super quick because I just literally load it up, press play, and it'll do this, then I save it. So I don't have to go through all those manual clicks anymore. If that Photoshop part with the actions was a little over your head, just replay it slowly, or literally go to YouTube and type in how to do actions on Photoshop, because these actions can save you a ton of time. Imagine I had to do like 10 clicks on every product I launch versus 1 click. You know, it's just saving time. Okay? Hope that makes sense. If you have any questions, let's hear them.